AI automation could impact 15 to 20% of jobs in healthcare and education in the next 10 years. What about the millions of people who support their families? Bill Gates has said things about the future of AI that force us to think deeply. And here's a big point. Can AI understand like a human? Welcome to SciVibe Global. Today we're bringing you a topic that will shake your mind. Imagine this. One day your doctor or teacher isn't a human but an AI? Yes, it sounds like something out of a movie, but the world's biggest tech visionaries are talking about it, so stick with us from start to finish, because this article will open your eyes. Let's get straight to the point. Bill Gates, a name that needs no introduction in the tech world. He built Microsoft, gave the world personal computers, and now he's talking about changing the world through philanthropy and AI. In March 2023, Gates wrote in his blog, "The Age of AI Has Begun," that AI could revolutionize healthcare and education. And in February 2025, in an interview with Harvard professor Arthur Brooks, he said that AI could usher in a new era of free intelligence, where knowledge reaches everyone. This is the core of his vision, using AI to bring top-class medical advice and education to every person. But will it replace doctors and teachers? Today, we'll find the answer. AI doctors first. Let's talk about AI doctors. If you're a regular reader of SciVibe Global, you might remember that I've made a video about AI's role in healthcare before. You can check it out on our channel. But today, we're going a step further. Gates said in 2023 that AI could bring breakthrough treatments for deadly diseases and fill healthcare gaps in developing countries. Take a real example. Google Health's DeepMind AI tool. This tool detects cancer from X-rays, and according to a 2020 study in the Nature journal, it works more accurately and faster than radiologists. This technology is being tested in hospitals right now, and the results show that AI could truly be a game changer. Gates's vision is that in the next 10-15 years, meaning by 2035-2040, AI will become so advanced in diagnostics and treatment planning that even people in small towns and villages will have access to world-class medical advice at a very low cost, or maybe even for free. He wrote in 2023, "AI can help us solve problems that have stumped humanity for decades." But here's a big question. If AI does such a great job, what will happen to human doctors? Will they lose their jobs? It's a thought that makes you a little nervous, right? But hold on, there's more. AI is also making progress in surgery. Robotic systems like the Da Vinci surgical system are already assisting surgeons, and AI-driven versions are now in the testing phase. In 2024, Johns Hopkins University published a study showing that AI-guided robotic surgery reduced human error by 30%. Gates has called such innovations humanity's future. But if all AI in education. Now let's talk about education. Gates has a big dream that AI could become personalized tutors. Imagine a teacher designed just for each student, matching their speed and style, and available 24/7. It sounds like a dream, but it's already starting. In his February 2025 Harvard Gazette interview, Gates said, "Imagine an AI tutor that understands pedagogy and motivation." His vision is that AI won't just teach lessons, but will measure student engagement, understand their weaknesses, and adjust in real time. A real example is Khan-Migo, an AI-powered tool from Khan Academy. It guides students in math, science, and languages, understands their mistakes, and provides tailored explanations. Gates has personally funded this project, and in 2024, Khan Academy reported that Khan-Migo improved students' test scores by an average of 15%. This tool is currently in a pilot phase in American schools, and the results show that AI can make education more accessible and effective. Gates believes that AI could make education free, meaning kids from every corner of the world, rich or poor, could access top-class tutoring. He wrote in 2023, "High-quality education for everyone is within reach with AI." But here's a twist. If AI teachers become so perfect, what will happen to human teachers? Will the old ways of schooling disappear? And that emotional connection, the motivation a human teacher provides, can AI replace that? This question remains unanswered. Is AI's future good or bad for us? Let's look at both sides. The first benefit is clear from Gates's vision. AI will bring medical advice and education to everyone. A poor child who can't go to school could learn from AI. A village with no doctor could use AI to diagnose diseases. According to the 2025 World Economic Forum report, but there are risks too. If AI starts replacing doctors and teachers, what will happen to jobs? According to the International Labor Organization, ILO 2024 report, AI automation could impact 15 to 20% of jobs in healthcare and education in the next 10 years. What about the millions of people who support their families? And here's a big point. Can AI understand like a human? A doctor who feels your pain, a teacher who gives you courage? Can AI bring that emotional depth? Gates himself said, in February 2025 at Harvard, AI's rapid growth is a little scary. So even he recognizes this double-edged sword. Debate and your opinion. This raises a big debate. Do we want to give AI so much power that it controls core aspects of our lives like health and education? Gates is optimistic but cautious. He wrote, in 2023, AI will amplify human ingenuity, not replace it. But experts are debating whether AI will be a tool for collaboration rather than replacement, meaning doctors and teachers will work with AI, not become jobless because of it. So friends, Bill Gates' vision is in front of us. AI can transform healthcare and education, as shown by Google Health and Conmigo. But will it fully replace doctors and teachers? That's still a prediction, not a certainty. On one hand, it could make the world better. On the other, it brings risks. Are you ready for this future? Do you agree with Gates or not? Let us know your opinion in the comments, because this conversation needs to reach everyone. So SciVibe Global friends, that was a mind-blowing overview of AI inspired by Bill Gates' real vision and current tech trends. If you liked it, give it a like, share it, and don't forget to follow us, because we'll keep bringing you updates like this. See you in the next video. Until then, keep thinking, keep learning,